Welcome to SSB Doubts. Understand the PPDT and TAT by examples. Example. Observe the picture
carefully. Pause the video and make your story. High-level idea. Ram was an officer for the Tourism Development Authority in Goa. He had noticed that the problem of pollution had increased and it was negatively affecting visitors, so he took the initiative to deal with this problem. He organized the youngsters of the place and formed a small team of helpers. He told them to create awareness about the pollution problem and put up signboards and notices so that the tourists and the locals understood the severity of the problem and was guided to follow the rules. With the persistent efforts of the team, he was able to control the problem to a great extent. He praised the youngsters for their support. Qualities demonstrated: good reasoning skills, difficult level of problem solving, responsible, determined, and making appropriate decisions. Story 2. Average level idea. Ram was a graduate and was given the task to organize an alumni meeting for his department. He suggested to the HOD that this time the meeting can be conducted at a neutral venue so that the visitors could remember it for a longer period. They decided to hold the meeting at a nearby beach, and organized all the necessary arrangements. On the day of the meeting, the UMNI came with their families. They spent quality time with their friends, which made them all very happy. Ram and his team were praised for organizing the event. Qualities demonstrated: optimism, average level of problem solving, responsible, determined.
Thanks, subscribe and keep watching for such videos. If you have any doubts regarding SSB interview,
then visit the playlist section.
Join us on other social platforms, link in bio.